Chris, have you ever tried ordering a complicated coffee here? It's hilarious.
Well, I'm up for a good laugh. Let's give it a shot.
Good morning, sir. What would you like to drink today?
I'll have a venti, half CAF, triple shot, soy, no foam latte with caramel drizzle and extra sprinkles.
What is that, sir?
Hey, come on, you don't have to ask me that. You must make me what I'll want.
Okay, anyway, I will do you difficult order, sir.
What's up, boy?
What?
Hey, I'm saying how are you?
Sir, you must talk in a polite way.
Nonsense, man. Hey, I want my coffee.
Tell me your order quickly before I deal with you now.
An Altercation, decaf, iced Americano, stirred counterclockwise, with exactly 4 ice cubes.
You guys, you're nonsense. How can you tell me orders like that nonsense? Or joking with me at this restaurant we beat the crazy people like you. Do you understand?
I'm going to report you to your boss, nonsense.